This is the Milwaukee Packout. It's a fairly new product, and I think it's going to be great for locksmiths. It's the holy grail of locksmithing. How do we move our tools around? How do we show up on the job site and everything like that? And a lot of us are getting older, so we need something with wheels on it. So here's the basic. I've got, this is part 1 of 2. So this is just showing the overview, and then I'll show you all my tools and some of the extra accessories I've bought. The really, really good, you know, it's got, I don't know, just impressed with, you know, all the bits and pieces. How it fits together, how everything's going to go in nicely. The accessories for this are quite cool. It comes apart so easy, you know, to get at the different levels. It's got a nice solid for locking it up. More compartments, quite deep. This one's got a handle on the top. One of my favorite features is all the little accessory packs for, we're setting one up right now for mailbox locks, from deadbolts and key knobs. But this is really, really cool. This case just clips on. Nice, solid. So we're gonna have this here. Gonna put a few more accessory packs there. This comes off. It's all set up, ready to go. So this is all part of the Packout system. There's smaller tool cases, bigger tool cases. Just look at that. Beautiful setup. Absolutely beautiful. Part 2, I'm going to put all my locksmith tools in it, some stock and everything, and we're going to use it on a few jobs, and let's see how it stands up. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Subscribe to my channel. Also, visit my website, and you can see what online locksmith training I have for beginners, intermediate, and advanced, as well as my covert methods of entry and my non-destructive methods of entry.